today a new way began. I will start and together with you we start every day to share and use the potential of the forex, the forex marketing to multiply our base by the truth. So maybe already our roads in something in the past, and since today I invite you to be with me. It will be at 2 p.m. London time. So take note, and we'll be here to trade in Forex, straight on the point. Enjoying this moment that we are passing in the world and the tensions are in all the world, in the four parts of the world. If you talk, for example, in about the scale in the war, Russia, Ukraine, now the European is getting in straight how can I say in English? Sorry from English. Conflict. So it brings other scale for and by the other side in the Medium Orient. The war are getting scale. Maybe you are not seeing on the social medias, but there and these last days I have sure that you saw it. We have a straight attack from Israel to Qatar that they promised answer, and it can bring a new season, a new level for this war. By the other side, in the forex market, when we talk about the wars, when we talk about the geopolitical risk that it brings together, it's obviously that it will reflect on the chart, and we can, with strategy, with knowledge, we can enjoy all movementations to multiply our base. And the forex is one of the best ways for you release everything that you want in your life. And believe, with persistence you can release the impossible. So let's start today. Here is the first day, is day one that we are starting this movement here. I give me the permission to start it with you. By the other side, the schedule, the word schedule is happening without programmation. So it's your choice if you enjoy this movement to get eager, or if you just watch it. Because we are in 1 minute from midnight, and it gives us biggest possibilities to win scale, not just in our financial base, but for our lives. Today we are in front of the biggest opportunity that we have in 20 years. So going straight from point, I will now screen with you, and we will start to look the of gold, the price of USOIL, of silver too, and we start to understand the connection and what's the best way that we have today to use all different coins in our favors. So I will share my screen here, and let's start straight to the point. Today is the first, as I said, day one. Done is better than undone. Okay, I tried to enter in this live several times, and I have been interrupted by myself, by the charger, by the internet, by I'm here to start with all my humility, and so be patient, and together we will evaluate everything in our life. If you give us the right time to make it possible. By the other side, I've been prepared on the Forex market. I live in this market. We are talking about 10 years. And here, let's talk a little about the things. First, here in this account, okay, everything you see here is important to know that is or is my or it's some pan account. It's like an investment of a group. Me and our brotherhood, we give the availability to show around almost $200,000 and show the development of this capital with strategy, with consistency. It's everything on my FX book. Okay. Oh, you are not seeing the screen. Now I have to share your screen. Okay. So all the operations that you will see here, it will be one personal account mine, or it's one account of our brotherhood that we are checking. Here I will show you here here we have some accounts talking about $168,000 today. We have accounts in losses, profits. You will see everything here. Okay, these accounts we are giving permission, and we open the numbers and the results, but the results since 2003. Okay, here we have our robots. Here is my menu robot, Solomon. Is its name? I call it Solomon. Okay, Solomon. We have been working 7 years straight in development of this robot that we are looking here. But you can see we have operations here. I can show you also. Here we started, let's see together. Or you can see the deposit. All these accounts we started in August. Okay, you can see we started and we make almost 10% of the profits. Okay, Solomon is make trades by itself. So here we have one intrinsic. Okay, it's one account that we use Solomon as intrinsic. Solomon makes money for ourselves, and it trades while we are sleeping too. So it's very important. You need to have diversification in your life, in traces that make that you can make money while you are sleeping. You need to make work for you, and it's this that we make. And here I will just show you a little bit of our engagement, our opinion. It makes sense for you. You can take the wave with me. If no, just watch. Okay. So as I said, I'm not here to sell you any fucking thing. I'm here to show you my point of view and to start this process with you, my brother. Okay. So together we will adjust this live, we will adjust the time. Okay, I have sure that now I am not entering the live and go out again. Okay, I will start and let's go. We will not stop. I am stoppable, and let's proceed. Okay, so came with me here. Here we have the Solomon trading euro against dollar. It's very it's easier to have the control of the volatility in this market. By the other side, you can see the management of risk that you use for Solomon here. Okay, let's proceed. Here we have a good operation in petrol. Here in this account we are in losses. We have account in profit and losses. This is the benefit and the unbenefit of the trader. We win money and we lost money. This is normal. Okay, this is here I am in losses, but now I have a good opportunity here. I will close it. I will not be more. Let me see. I am yet in losses, but not so much. Here, guys, we trade silver that I closed now. The operation here with you, and petrol is very important. I will talk specifically in petrol, but now let's talk a little bit about gold and silver. Okay, silver, I believe, and I always talk that is like a shadow. If you look for the right point of view in for who trades gold, it follow expectations of the movement, and you can use some indices as confluence of information if you are talking about a fundamentalist analysis. Okay, so here I am with gold. Where's Shaggy? Here our point of view, our perspective that silver will follow for 45. Okay, I just will put other value because silver is, but take this trade with me if you want. If not, just look here, or I will get losses 900, or I will win 3000. So you can see that all the trades have limits, have management of risk. We'll talk about manual trading here, okay? But this is very important. You need to have the management of the risk. You need to have a plan for all of your operations. This is, how can I say? This is the minimum that you need for build truly consistent and scalable. I think that is this word, okay? For you build a base for win scale, you need to. This is the minimum, okay, that you need to make in all your operations. By the other side here, okay, let's now straight for. Here you can see. Here we'll talk about gold. Let's talk about gold and silver now, and after I will talk just about petrol. Guys, we need to understand that with the increase of the tensions with Russia, OTAN, and the scale of the war in the ASEAN, and what's happened in this situation by the other side, it affects straight. Now, if you put more the war in the Middle Orient, what happened these last days? Everybody saw that Israel make attacks in Qatar, and the premier of Qatar promised to answer this attack. So it can bring for another level the war in the Middle Orient. And by the other side, Saudi Arabia is together with Qatar, and it can bring a very big tension and extension in these wars. Maybe it's already on the plan, on the schedule. So it will reflect for sure on the gold. What we are seeing now, if you saw me, for example, 2023, if you saw me in some Forex event, we have told about gold. I am covering this price. We're talking about some years here, and we give the provision of the when the gold crosses 3,000 and 3,500, 3,700. What we can expect now for the price of gold? When it talk about gold, guys, we are talking about the world reserve, about safe, and it's not a common metal. Gold, guys, now is in a new level that have never tried before. So a lot of people question me, Mago, are you buying gold on the top? Where is the top talking about gold? So now with you here, guys, look, I make this operation, it's very nice, you know, we have losses, we have a profit, real account. I will put here the last 3 days, today here you can see, we had profit, we have losses too, profit, $700, okay? Now, with you, I will enjoy this moment, and together I will enter with, I bought now gold, I just buy gold, okay? But this is me. What you do is your reflex, not mine. And that's why I love the trader professional, because it's a solitary professional and it have its benefits also. Okay, so guys, get me here, or I will lose 1,600, or I will take the next point of target that I have here for the gold that we're talking about, 3,733.35, okay? So you can see in this trade that or I will lose 1,651, or I will win 5,100. In the biggest part, biggest times we take it what we call it as a positive stop. For example, now the market's in my favor. We are already winning $50 here. And if the market keeps flowing for my belief, for my intention here, I will put the stop positive. Okay? So this is important we talk because we need to have this conception and this type of line. This is my type of line of preparation, okay? So here we have a trading in gold, and my belief for gold now, let's see here. You can see that we have been take this this movimentation. Look how much trades we have here between profits and losses, for sure. What we believe for gold, if we make a logarithmic channel here, we can reach 4,135 for the price of gold. But my belief is that now it will cross 3,700, the maximum will be the minimum, take note. And we can arrive, we can reach 3,785, 75, around it. This is my first point. Okay, so that's it. By the other side, as here we have all our accounts that we are trading here. You can look, you can enter in my FX book, and you can search for Kalki. I don't know how to say in English the symbol that you are seeing here, Mago. Okay, if you search it, you'll find me here on my FX book, and you see with our own eyes. By the other side, guys, it's this. We have in this week is a week that we have some interesting news, and it can bring us a very big reflect. Other reflect that we cannot forget to talk is about our operations here in petrol. Let's talk about petrol now. About gold, I already give you my point of view. Gold and silver. Now, about petrol. Guys, I have already swim in the Hormuz channel. And I'll tell you more one thing. Not if, when. Not if, when. Take note. When the Hormuz channel close, you will see the petrol, because now I have a lot of countries buying petrol from Russia, and we have a very economical war behind the veils. But what you can expect here for the petrol is, I believe that you can reach 115 when the Hormuz channel get closed. So this is my belief. The first point is 75. Okay, so this is our operations of today, and guys, it's a truly pleasure. Thanks for be with me in this moment, and we just begun today. As I said for you, day one, we need to give the first step. In the more you can believe in my words, the persistence will make you build what you think impossible. And guys, that's it. It's a truly pleasure to be here. We'll start a new movement here in English on my YouTube. And since now you have take note again, every day, 2 p.m. London time. Today I started, but I tried once, twice. I lost it how many times I entered in the live today. But we are here. And since tomorrow, we will stay 15 minutes by our purpose and making real trades in real time. Enjoy it or just watch. Guys, it's a pleasure to be here, and see you. Have an amazing week and open your eyes. See you.